Hello everybody, it's Roman again, and today I'm going to show you how to take a picture of a frame in your video during the editing process using Camtasia. So you may want to take this picture for various reasons, such as your thumbnail, or you may want to talk about that frame for an extended period of time. So I'm going to use my Gary Vaynerchuk Net Worth video as the dummy, and I'm going to take a picture of Gary Vaynerchuk winking right here. So all you have to do is go to the top left of your screen and click share, which is here, and you go to export frame as, and the picture will save as a PNG. You can rename the picture to anything you want, and you can move it to anywhere you want. And in this case, I'm gonna put in my desktop, Gary V winking, replace this one, and click save. Yes, I want to replace it. And it's that easy. If you have any questions, please let me know. There will be a link below to Camtasia if you'd like to purchase it. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.